Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add a clickable table of contents to your simple booklet, so readers can jump straight to the section they care about instead of scrolling through everything. We're going to get started here on the simple booklet dashboard, and we're going to click on the design tab for the booklet that we want to add our table of contents to. From here, we're going to make our way over to the toolbar on the left-hand side and click on the AI Agents button. From here, we're going to toggle on the table of contents agent and then click Run Your Agents. This works best on booklets with 8 or more pages. You'll see it start working. As you can see, we got a little notification here. And you can keep an eye on the AI agent status indicator in the top right at any time. So you can see it's just letting us know that it's working away at it. While that's running, let's take a quick look at where this lives permanently. So we're going to head over to the info section in the left-hand toolbar here. And as you can see, this is the table of contents toggle in your booklet's navbar. And it's also where you'd come if you'd rather skip the AI and build your table of contents manually from scratch. So here's where you can toggle on or off your table of contents. And as you can see, okay, we got a notification here letting us know that our table of contents has been generated. You can see here it automatically filled this up. So from here, you can add more sections manually if you'd like. You can type a section name and page number in the add bar at the top. And once you click add there, it'll slot into the right spot automatically. And then for each entry, you can use the B and indent toggle to make it a bold main section or an indented subsection. So as you can see, this is a bold main section, and then we have our indented subsection here. If you've got more than one section on the same page, you can drag and grip the handle to reorder them. So just you can select any of these and move them wherever you'd like. And if you need to make changes later, you can click any entry to edit the name or page number, or hit the trash icon to delete it. Then there's also a little toggle up here if you want to show the page numbers next to each section. And as you can see, while we're working in here, we have a live preview drawer that just shows you exactly how your table of contents will look in the navbar. And so if you didn't want to generate the table of contents with AI, you would just come to this section and you would manually put each of your entries, titles, page numbers in here, add them, and then you can use that same workflow to move them around, change the numbers, just like that. And then once you're happy with everything, just click done to save it. And that's it for this video. Make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simple Booklet. Thanks for watching.